Good day. Welcome to Computerized Bookkeeping by a calculator and an honors degree holder from the University of Namibia. Let's look at the personal computer as part of the computerized accounting. Personal computers are often referred to as PCs. PCs have both internal hardware and software components. Data is stored in a computer in terms of bits, and a bit can be as a switch, which is either switched to a 0 or a 1. And to store a large amount of data will require many bits. And storage capacity indicators, 1 to 0 equal to bit, which is the smallest unit of measurement, and 8 bits equal to 1 byte. Then 10,024 bytes equal to 1 kilobyte. Then 10,024 megabytes is equal to 1 gigabyte. Then 1024 gigabytes equal to 1 terabyte. And the PC hardwares and softwares. Hardware is anything PC related that one can physically touch. All those hard components on the computer are what you call hardwares. Then software is a set of programming codes and instructions which controls the computer. So all the sets of programs and codes as well as instructions that the computer gives are what we refer to as the software programs. And the PC hardware consists of the following hardware: the system unit, some call it a box, and contain all internal components like the motherboard, central processing unit, and read-only memory ROM, as well as the random access memory RAM, disk drive such as DVDs, HDD, as well as CDs, and the system board. The keyboard is used to enter and modify information, and the mouse is the pointing device that is used to select the tasks we need to use to assist us in doing our work. Monitor, which is a screen, provides a visual output of the information on the PC. So we all know the monitor, which is the screen in which we read all the information that which the computer is processing. And the hardware, the PC hardware or the personal computer hardware, the printer is one of the hardwares on the computer which produces a hard copy of the information that is either stored in the computer or which is on the screen. So the printer produces a hard copy. The printer prints out all the information in the computer in a hard copy, so the information could be read in the form of a hard copy instead of a soft copy on the monitor. When we have got the audio speaker for sound playback, like in case you are playing music or videos, you can use audio speaker for sound playback. And then communication devices such as wireless and Bluetooth devices. You've got the communication devices such as wireless and Bluetooth devices, and the monitor peripherals such as webcam and flash drives and headphones or headsets. And the basic network components: computer nodes, the network operating system, the network software that enable the network nodes to communicate, and the network adapter, also known as the network interface card, and transfer data over the network, and cabling. We all know what a cable is: physical cabling or wireless setup through which the nodes can communicate with each other. You've got advantage of using computers. Computers are multimedia tools with integrated graphic, print, audio, and video capabilities. Computers can effectively link various technology. And then computers are interactive microcomputer system incorporating various software packages, are extremely flexible and maximize. Computer technology is a rapidly advancing innovations are constantly emerging while related costs are reduced. So in using the computer, the related costs could be reduced as well, and computers are interactive, so you can be really enjoying the computer when you are doing your work with the computer. And computer increases access local, regional, national network link resources, individual, wherever they might be used. So a computer increase access wherever you are. You can use the computer to send emails or any information to anyone in a different location, so to say. And the advantage of using a computer might be the cause of technology being used to aid immoral and dishonest intentions, and computer might become inoperable. So they might be the cause of technology being used to aid immoral and dishonest intentions. Let me say you can lie, or any immoral behavior can be done or via the computer, and a computer might become inoperable due to power failure. So if there is no power or electricity, you won't be able to operate the computer, leaving companies at standstill. So the work will be on standstill. There will be no work if the computer doesn't have power, or there is no power at all within the company or within the whole area of which operations is taking place. Computer might lead to redundancy. So clerical work might become more straightforward to perform by using specially designed softwares. So in using the computer, work made by women will be done by the computer, which means people will be retrenched, they will lose their job. Accounting software. With the increasing dominance of having financial accounts prepared by accounting software, as well as some suppliers claim that anyone can prepare their own books. In case of accounting now, computerized accounting, anyone can prepare their own books, and accounting softwares can be considered at risk of not providing appropriate information, which is used by non-accountant in ignorance and lack of experience. So since anyone can prepare their own books, they can provide inappropriate information, which can be used in ignorance, and those people, that someone might have lack of experience as well. Intranet. An intranet has a server on which all the information resides, and a password and a username is required. A password and a username is required to access the server for security reasons, and access to the internet is also restricted to certain users within the company. On internet, it has a password and a username, and so in case not just anyone can use it, so restriction can be used to users to reduce company cost. And the extranet is created when a company links with another company's network through the internet, and the two companies' network function together like one bigger network, and this is referred to as the extranet. In using the computer, there are viruses which affect your computer in various ways, tempering your system configuration and damaging stored information. In some cases, deleting files on your PC, which these files could be important to the company as well as to an individual. And viruses are generally disguised as many programs or attachments to your email, and once opened or executed, it creates havoc. By using an antivirus software program, you can scan your system and incoming email to detect these viruses, and then deleting it before any harm can be done. And you've got a web browser. A web browser is an application that locates and displays web pages. Three of the most common browsers are Microsoft Internet Explorer as a web browser, a Netscape, and the Firefox. Those are our three main web browsers. And got the website structure. You got the home page, which is the first page of the website that appears to be in your browser. It is a table of content for the rest of the website. Links, also known as hyperlinks, are either a graphic or text that you can click on, which will take you to another page or part of the website. This link should be user-friendly, being able to navigate with ease through the website. And a search facility. Most websites have a search function to locate what you are looking for quickly. Then that's the end. We've come to an end of our slide.